Welcome to another tutorial. Today we will learn how to add custom CSS in BetterDocs for Shopify. First, log into your Shopify store and navigate to the BetterDocs for Shopify app dashboard. Then, to customize, select the Design button. Click on the drop-down icon in the top bar to select a layout option to add custom CSS. Let's choose a single doc layout here. Here, you need to click on the custom CSS icon on the left side panel. A CSS field will appear, where you can add your CSS code to the field. The changes can be seen live from the right side panel. Here we are adding more CSS code to customize layouts. Click on the Save button to update your settings. Enjoy customizing your docs layouts with custom CSS and subscribe for more useful videos like this.